Melissa Giles, Crazy Imagination Travel. I am here on the beautiful Disney private island, Castaway Cay, and I am in the Cabana area, and I'd like to take you on a tour of Cabana number 18 this time. Let's go look. Cabana number 18 is near the family cabanas. At the end of the family beach, so you have a great view of the ship. We have a pack and play. If you've got a young child, just let me know and we can get that reserved for you in your cabana. Let's take a peek at the, look at the ship, the beautiful Disney Wonder. And you will notice on the cabana side, it's very private. So here's your beach. No worries about getting a seat or anything. It's no worries in the world. You just come and enjoy. So you've got lounge chairs here. You've got floats and tubes. Those are complimentary with your stay. You have a shower. Lounge chairs. Sunscreen, we've got 50 and 30. That's complimentary. Like I said, no worries in the world. And you have a refrigerator with cold towels, soda, water. And here is your button. You push the button and your concierge host will come and get you whatever you need. You can order drinks, here's snacks, fresh fruit plate, towels. You have a system for music. And here we have, the beautiful wind is blowing today. It's such a nice breeze. For your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa at crazyimaginationtravel.com. It would be my pleasure to assist you. And if you want one of our beautiful cabanas, let me know. I know all the tips and tricks. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and Facebook page to follow all my Disney adventures. See you real soon.